Karbi Anglong Morningstar FC celebrates joyous 14th birth anniversary at its head office premises, Dipu Manja Road. Karbi Kurphome inaugurated new homestay at the outskirts of Purek Anglong Sarpo on 8th November. Lahorijan Yuwa Santa Club organized awareness program at Lahorijan on 8th November.
Nangli kitun gedang thekma lapen ning hangma jongsi thek lapen ning hang pulote nangli tumaphan isi birta kimi Karbi Artist Forum pen ke patir pipon Karbi Anglong along ke cheng siaphong Master Chef Challenge along chepati don igra nangli ke thegason chepaklang don itha bangso ka chepati along soarlu aphan chot lapukali bonda sopin sotom anta chepati don me Men ka chethabji aphan KAEC canteen lapen Karbi Artist Forum asahem KAEC aton riadung along humridam ignon Kangwai mati auditioner ni lake phaikuni ni phai ingkoi surihini rengkoi rahini lapen adima bangke Dipu Club Angton pen kachini ji aphan 8638086460 600-209 0530 881-2011-572 Kalite 9101-592824 along Humri Ignon.
Hello viewers, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with me, Marvelous Songparpi. And now let's hear the news in details. With a vision to provide a platform for all the football lovers and to enhance the football spirit in Karbi Anglong districts in general, on 8th of November 2008, a group of football enthusiasts gave birth to a club which in today's time is popularly known as Karbi Anglong Morningstar Football Club.
The club had celebrated its 14th birth anniversary on 8 November at its head office premises located along Dipu Manja Road. Engineer Bikram Theron, General Secretary of KAL FC, took the honor to host the club flag and also briefed the history, achievements and goals of KAL FC on the occasion. Miji Crow, Chief Administrator of KAL FC, cut the anniversary cake to commemorate the celebration of 14 birth anniversaries of KAL FC. Within the span of 14 years, KAL FC had achieved many trophies, medals and cups. Also, at the same time, lost to many matches. But it didn't let the club dishearten as winning and losing are part of the games. The main aspirations of the club is to take it to the most prestigious football tournament of India, the I-League. But the journey from small tournament to the most prestigious tournament of India is not easy. Hence, KAL FC is not ready to give up, despite all the barriers and challenges standing ahead. Patience and persistency is the key. Therefore, time would tell us whether the dream of KAL FC would remain as a dream or turn it into reality. The members of KAL FC have been working with the club since the establishment of the club till today. And today, one could see the club standing is because of the collective efforts and contribution made by all the members of KAL FC. If committed and stand firm unanimously, there's nothing that could not be achieved. Wai Song Wei, ex-captain and founder of KAL FC, expressed his heartfelt gratitude to all the members of KAL FC for being with the club through thick and thin.
Karbi Anglong Morningstar Football Club penengan surhinira na kebaningan peneng surhinira korahinian ke kan krip chok ani lo nasi itu la so arni pachiton nam sini itu member tom pen pin kada itu mithanga club long mate ni tuma mithang ka khela ground along ni tum na hitong se ni tum lama ya taming thulo itu ma secretary pen job tada apor bai sir ke apor choksi alang li pensi la lama thosi club teaching men ki jot apor ki mo tame alang li pen japsi han pachini bonlo.
Co-founders, members and well-wishers of KAL FC attended the celebration and made it a grand success. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.
On 8th of November, Karbi Kurphome inaugurated new homestay at the outskirts of Purek Anglong Sarpo, Khorsing Teron village, Hongkram, under Rongkhang constituency. Karbi traditional prayers, Purek Anglong Sarpo Ase and Timase were also offered during the inaugural ceremony.
The inaugural ceremony was chaired by Mahabishnu Togbi, Council of Ministers, Habib Pinpo, Village Headman, Horen Singh Bey MP, leaders of Karbi Students Association, and several dignitaries of the region attended the inaugural ceremony. Horen Singh Bey MP, while speaking to us, stated that proper boundary walls and permanent homestay would be constructed for Karbi Kurpo Amai at Purek Anglong Sarpo, Khorsing Teron Village, Hongkram, under Rongkhang constituency very soon. Also, in the days to come, it shall be made mandatory to all the devotees and visitors of the homestay to offer Naivedya to Purek Anglong Sarpo to explore further in the region. Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live.
On 8th of November, around 10 a.m., First BN NDRF from Guwahati organized an awareness program and demonstrated safety measures against several calamities at Lahorijan PWD IB.
The awareness program was initiated by Lahorijan Yuva Santa Club in collaboration with First BN NDRF to keep the citizens aware of the basic safety measures that should be taken against natural calamities. As in today's time, nothing is stable and anything can happen anytime. Basic life skills that should be done when an incident like flood, earthquake, fire and accidents are encountered were demonstrated at the workshop. Bishnu Giri, Secretary of Lahorijan Yuva Santa Club, thanked the civilians and students of Lahorijan for their cooperation in making the event successful. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.
And that's all for today. Thank you.